Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter is fraction and decimal. Today's topic is division in fraction number. Let exercise 2.4 question number first. Find 12 divided by 3 upon 4. If we mention 12 divided by 3, which is 12 upon 3, but if one of them is a fraction number, then we attending the question by changing the sign of divide. If any of these number having a fraction number, then we attending the changing of sign, the division will change into multiplication. The division will change into multiplication, and here is a fraction number which is 3 by 4. 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. We will interchange numerator and denominator. We will interchange the denominator and numerator. The digit is 3 by 4 will change into 4 by 3. By 3 we can cut this 4 times. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Let another question. In this question there is a divide sign of divide, and one of them is a fraction number. So we will change divide into multiplication and interchange the numerator and denominator. So this is 3 upon 7. No one digit can cancel out. So 8 into 3, 24, divide by 7. When we divide 24 by 7, 3 times 21, remainder is 3. The 3, there is no any digit, so we stop dividing. 7 can divide 24 3 times, remainder is 3. We will divide by 7. This is our answer. Now in this question there is a mixed fraction number. First of all we change into a fraction number. 3 divide by, first of all 3 into 2, then plus 1 upon 3. 3 divide by 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 upon 3. 3 divided by 7 upon 3. Now this is our question. There is a fraction number, so the divide will change into multiply. Multiply, numerator and denominator will change. Numerator and denominator will change. 3 into 3, 9 by 7. When we divide 9 by 7, 1 time 7, remainder is 2. 1 time can divide, remainder is 2. We will divide by 7. This is our answer. In next question, 5 divided by, this is our mixed fraction number. We will change into a fraction number. 7 into 3 plus 4 divided by 7. 7 into 3, then plus 4, divide by 7. 5 divided by 7 into 3, 21 plus 4 upon 7. 5 divided by 25, 7. 5. Now this is our question. Multiplication division sign and a fraction number, so divide will change into multiply. Then interchange the digits. We can cut this number 5 times. So answer is 7 by 5. When we divide 7 by 5, 1 time 5, remainder is 2. So answer is complete division 1 time, remainder is 2, divisor is 5. This is our answer. Let's take beginning from the question. If we have a question in divide from and the digits are in fraction form, then first of all divide will change into multiply, and this is our second digit. Second digit will be interchanged in numerator and denominator. So second digit is 3 by 4 will interchange by 4 by 3. 3 can cut this 4 times. 4 into 4, 16. The answer is over 16. In next question, 8 divide by 7 by 3, divide will change into multiply, the digit will be changed into 3 by 7. 3 moves to numerator, 7 moves to denominator. 8 into 3, 24, 24 by 7. When we divide 24 by 7, 3 times 21, remainder is 3. So 3 times complete divide, remainder is 3, divisor is 7. In next question, there is a mixed fraction number, we will change into a normal fraction number. So 3 into 2 plus 1, 3 into 2 then plus 1, 3 into 2 is 6 then plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Now divide will change into multiply, the digit will be interchanged. 3 into 3, 9, 9 by 7. When we divide 9 by 7, 1 times 7, remainder is 2. So 1 time complete division, 2 is remainder, 7 is our divisor. In another question, there is a mixed fraction number, so we will change into a fraction number. 7 into 3 then plus 4, 7 into 3 then plus 4, 7 into 3, 21 plus 4, 25, 25 by 7. Now this is our question. The divide will change into multiply, the digits are interchanged, we can cut these number by 5s, this is 1 time and this is 5 time. So 7 by 5, 7 by 5. When we divide 7 by 5, 1 time 5, remainder is 2. Now 1 time complete division, remainder is 2, divisor is 5. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now student, our next question is find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. What is the reciprocal fraction number when we interchanging numerator and denominator digits. When we interchanging numerator and denominator digits, it's called reciprocal fraction number. This is our definition of reciprocal. Now other is proper fractions. proper fraction when numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. When numerator is less than denominator, for example 7 by 3, 7 is numerator, 3 is numerator, 7 is denominator, numerator is less than denominator. This is our proper fraction. Improper fraction when numerator is greater than denominator. For example 7 by 3, 7 is numerator, 3 is denominator, so numerator is greater than denominator. We can change this into mixed fraction number. Other definition is whole number. When in any number denominator is 1 or not present, for example 11 by 1. Now the question is find the reciprocal. The definition of reciprocal: when we interchanging numerator and denominator digits, it called reciprocal fraction number. Other is proper fraction. Proper fraction when numerator is less than denominator, like example 3 by 7, 3 is less than 7. Improper fraction number when numerator is greater than denominator, for example 7 by 3, 7 is numerator, 3 is denominator, numerator is greater than denominator. Improper fraction number can change into mixed fraction number. Whole number when in any number denominator is 1, the dividing part is 1 or we cannot see the dividing part, like example 11, here denominator is absent and 11 by 1 the denominator is 1, so this called whole number. Now our question is 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3 by interchanging the digits. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Numerator is 7, denominator is 3, numerator is greater than denominator, numerator is greater than, then improper fraction number. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is improper fraction number. Now next, find the reciprocal of 9 by 7. Reciprocal of 9 by 7 by interchanging the digits 7 by 9. Nominator is less. Nominator is less. Nominator is less. Which proper fraction? Reciprocal of 9 by 7 is proper fraction number. Now next question is reciprocal of 12 by 7 by interchanging the digit 7 by 12. 7 is numerator, 12 is denominator, numerator is less than, numerator is less than, numerator is less than, the digit is proper fraction. Reciprocal of 12 by 7 is proper fraction number. Now our next question is reciprocal of 1 by 11 is, by interchanging the digit 11 by 1. 11 by 1. 11 is a whole number. When in any number denominator is 1. If denominator is 1 or not present, then this called whole number. Reciprocal of 1 by 11 is a whole number. So now take beginning from the question. Find the reciprocal and classify proper, improper, fraction and whole number. First is 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7. Now finding the reciprocal, we will interchange the digit. So this is 7 by 3. 7 by 3. The 7 by 3 is proper, improper or whole number. 7 is numerator. Numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than. Numerator is greater than. Numerator is greater than, then this is improper. So reciprocal of this is improper fraction number. Another question is 9 by 7. Reciprocal of 9 by 7 by interchanging the digits. This is 7 by 9. So the question is reciprocal of 9 by 7 is, what is this? Proper, improper or whole? Numerator is 7, denominator is 9, 7 is less than 9, numerator is less, numerator is less, numerator is less, then this is our proper fraction number. Other is 12 by 7. The reciprocal of 12 by 7 by interchanging the digit 7 by 12. Numerator is less, numerator is less, numerator is less, proper fraction. So reciprocal of 12 by 7 is proper fraction number. Next is 1 by 11. Reciprocal of 1 by 11 is equal to, by interchanging the digit 11 by 1, the answer is 11. So 11 is a whole number. The reciprocal of 1 by 11 is a whole number. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So students, our next question is question number 3. Find the answer. Question number first. 7 by 3 divided by 2. This is a fraction number in division. So we will change into multiply and find the reciprocal of second digit. So we can write this by 2 by 1. 2 is a whole number. We can write as 2 by 1. Now attending the divide will be changed into multiply and interchanging the digits, means reciprocal of this is equal to 7 into 1 7, 3 into 2 6. The 7 will divide by 6 one time, 6 remainder is 1. One time complete dividation, 1 is remainder, divisor is 6. This is our answer. The next is 6 by 13 divide by 7. 7 is a whole number, we will change into a fraction number by dividing 1. The whole number will change into a fraction number by dividing 1. Now 6 by 13 divide will be changed into multiply and second digit is reciprocal. So this is 7 by 1 will change into 1 by 7. 6 into 1 6, 13 into 7 84. The answer is 6 by 84. Now next question. This is our mixed fraction number. We will change into a fraction number. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3, then plus 1 upon 2. This is our first digit and second digit is 4. So 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 divide by 4 can written as 4 by 1. Now 7 by 2 will multiply, the divide change into multiply, the reciprocal of this is 1 by 4. 7 into 1 7, 2 into 4 8. This is our answer. Now this is our mixed fraction number, we will change into a fraction number. So this is 7 into 4, 7 into 4 then plus 3, then plus 3, divisor is 7, divide by 7 is equal to 7 into 4 28, 28 plus 3 31 upon 7 divide by 7 upon 1. 7 can change into 7 upon 1. Now 31 upon 7 divide will be changed into multiply, the reciprocal is 1 by 7. 31 into 1 31, 7 into 7 49. This is our answer. Let's take beginning from the question. Find 7 by 3 divide by 2. 2 is a whole number, we can change into a fraction number by dividing 1. The divide sign change into multiply, the reciprocal of second digit is 1 by 2. 7, 3 into 2 6, 7 by 6. By dividing we can change into a mixed fraction number. Another question is 6 by 13 divide by 7. 7 can written as 7 upon 1. Divide will be changed into multiply, reciprocal of this is 1 by 7. 6, 13 into 7 81. 6 into 1 6, 13 into 7 81. Next is, this is our mixed fraction number. First of all we will change into a fraction number. So 2 into 3 then plus 1, 2 into 3 then plus 1, divide by 2 and divide by 4. 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 4 can written as 4 upon 1. Divide will be changed into multiply, second digit reciprocal is 1 by 4. 7 8, 7 by 8. Another question is, this is our mixed fraction number. First of all we will change into a fraction number. 7 into 4 then plus 3, 7 into 4 then plus 3, divisor is 7 and next is divide by 7. 7 into 4 28 plus 3 31, 31 by 7. 7 can written as 7 upon 1. Divide will be changed into multiply and second digit reciprocal is 1 by 7. 13 into 1 31, 31 into 1 31, 7 into 7 49. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now students, our next question is question number 4. Find. The first is 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. This is our fraction number. So we will attending the question by changing the sign. Divide will be changed into multiply, and reciprocal is this is 2 by 1. 1 by 2's reciprocal is 2 by 1 by interchanging the digits of numerator and denominator. 2 into 2, 4 upon 5. The next is both are fraction number, so we will attend the division by changing multiplication. The reciprocal of second 7 by 8. 7 and 7 can cut each other. 3 upon 8 is our answer. The next is, this is our mixed fraction number. First of all, we will change into a fraction number. So this is our 2 into 3 then plus 1 upon 2. 2 into 3 then plus 1 upon 2. Divide by 8 upon 3. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 2 divided by 8 by 3. Both are fraction number. We will attending the question. 7 by 2 multiply. Reciprocal of this 3 by 8. No one can cancel out. So 7 into 3, 21. 2 into 8, 16. 16 can divide 21 by one time. Remainder is 5. So one time complete division. 5 is remainder. Divisor is 16. This is our answer. Next, there are two mixed fraction number. First of all, we will change into a normal fraction number. 5 into 3 then plus 1. 5 into 3 then plus 1. Divisor is 5. Divide. Second digit is also mixed fraction number. So 3 into 1 then plus 2. 3 into 1 then plus 2 upon 3. Now 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, 16. 16 upon 5. Divide by 3 into 1, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3. 16 by 5. Divide will be changed into multiply. Reciprocal of this is 3 by 5. 16 into 3, 48 upon 25. 25 will divide 48 one time, 3 and 2, 23. We cannot divide anymore. So one time complete division, 23 is remainder and divisor is 25. This is our answer. So let's take beginning from the question. Find. These are both are fraction number and operation is divide. We will change into multiply and reciprocal of second digit is 2 by 1. 2 into 2, 4 upon 5. Second is both are fraction number. Divide will be changed into multiply. Second digits reciprocal is 7 by 8. 7 and 7 can cut each other. Answer is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. This is our mixed fraction number. First of all, we will attend this. We will change into a fraction number. 2 into 3 then plus 1. 2 into 3 then plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 and 8 by 3. Now divide will be changed into multiply. Reciprocal of this is 3 by 8. 7 into 3, 21. 2 into 8, 16. 16 Can divide 21, 1 times 16, remainder is 5, 5 is less than, so we will stop dividing. So answer is 1, remainder is 5 upon 16. These both are a mixed fraction number, so we will change into fraction number. 5 into 3 then plus 1, 5 into 3 then plus 1, divisor is 5, another digit, 3 into 1 then plus 2 upon 3, 5 into 3 15 plus 1 16 by 5, 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Now divide will be changed into multiply and digits are interchanging. 3 upon 5, 16 into 3 48, 5 into 5 25, 48, 1 time 25 23, so 123 upon 25. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take our next topic in our next video.